Which gaming monster deserves your money in 2026? The MSI Raider 18HX or the Gigabyte AORUS Master 18? Today, we're diving deep into performance, display, cooling, and everything that matters to gamers, so you can make the right choice and dominate every game. Stick around, because at the end of this video, we will crown a clear winner. First, let's look at design and build. Both of these are 18-inch giants, heavy and packed with power. MSI Raider 18HX is bold and aggressive, with RGB lighting and a desktop replacement feel. It looks like a gaming spaceship, but yes, it's heavy. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 has a slightly sleeker design, still premium, but a bit more compact for an 18-inch laptop. Gaming impact. Weight and portability may not affect in-game FPS, but comfort and desk space matter for marathon sessions. Winner, MSI Raider 18HX, because gamers love the powerful, aggressive design that screams performance. Next, the display, your window into gaming worlds. MSI Raider 18HX offers QHD Plus or mini LED panels with high refresh rates, giving smooth and vivid visuals. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 shines with high brightness, HDR, and Dolby Vision support, making games pop with incredible color and contrast. Gaming impact. Brightness and color matter for immersion. High refresh rates matter for competitive shooters. Winner, tie. If you value color and HDR, AORUS wins visually. If you value fast refresh for FPS games, MSI leads. For pure gaming, MSI has a slight edge. This is the heart of the battle. CPU and GPU power. MSI Raider 18HX can be configured with Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX and NVIDIA RTX 5090, making it a beast in AAA gaming, 3D rendering, and AI tasks. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 uses similar CPUs and GPUs, delivering top-tier gaming performance, but slightly behind MSI in raw CPU multi-core power. Gaming impact. Faster CPU plus GPU equals higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and better future-proofing for the latest titles. MSI Raider 18HX excels in AAA games at ultra settings and handles heavy mods and AI-enhanced tasks without sweat. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 nearly matches MSI, but sometimes FPS dips slightly in multi-threaded CPU-heavy scenarios. Winner, MSI Raider 18HX, pure gaming powerhouse. Your frames, your victories. Gaming laptops need to stay cool under pressure. MSI Raider 18HX has aggressive fans and vapor chamber cooling. It keeps the RTX 5090 and Ultra 9 CPU running at peak during marathon gaming. The trade-off? Fan noise can be loud. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 also has efficient cooling, slightly quieter, but thermal throttling can happen under extreme load. Gaming impact. High sustained FPS requires stable cooling. MSI's system pushes higher sustained performance. Winner, MSI Raider 18HX. It might be louder, but it keeps your gaming smooth and uninterrupted. Now, memory and storage, crucial for open-world games and streaming. MSI Raider 18HX supports up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and multiple NVMe SSDs for lightning-fast load times. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 has similar specs, but MSI offers slightly faster RAM and more expansion options. Gaming impact. Faster RAM and SSDs equals quicker game load, faster map streaming, and smoother multitasking. Winner, MSI Raider 18HX. The RAM and storage flexibility give it the edge for serious gamers. Connectivity can make or break your gaming setup. MSI Raider 18HX offers Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, and high-speed Wi-Fi 7. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 is also well equipped, but MSI slightly edges ahead with more versatile ports. Winner, MSI Raider 18HX. No compromises for your peripherals. Battery life is limited for both. Gaming laptops like these aren't made for unplugged sessions. Expect 2 to 3 hours under light use, less during gaming. Winner, tie, plug in, and game on. MSI Raider 18HX tends to cost more, but you're paying for maximum performance and a pure gaming experience. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 is slightly cheaper, giving excellent performance and a great display, but just below MSI in raw gaming power. Gaming impact. More expensive, yes, but if you want top-tier FPS and longevity, MSI is worth it. Winner. Depends on budget, but MSI wins for ultimate gaming investment. So who wins this battle of 2020 SAXS 18-inch giants? MSI Raider 18HX dominates in gaming performance, cooling, RAM, expansion, and pure FPS potential. Gigabyte AORUS Master 18 is impressive, slightly better in display and quietness, and a solid alternative if you want balanced power and slightly better portability. Final winner, Gaming Edition, MSI Raider 18HX. If you're a gamer who wants maximum power, highest FPS, and zero compromise, MSI is your ultimate weapon.